Is your Windows 11 PC slower than it should be? The truth is, Windows 11 comes with several settings that secretly consume RAM, slow down performance, and track your activity. But today I will show you 10 things you should turn off right now to make your PC faster, cleaner, and more private. And number 7 is the one almost nobody knows about. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Infotrix, the channel where you learn smart Windows tips, fixes, and tech tricks. If you are using Windows 11, there are several features enabled by default that you don't actually need. Some of them slow down your system, while others collect unnecessary data. So today I will show you 10 Windows 11 settings you should turn off immediately. Let's start with number 1. Some apps are no need to start up your system. Those apps are eating up your RAMs and CPU space. Smoother experience and best security, you have to turn off your startup apps from the system. For that, first click on the start menu, and here you can see your start window. Then from here you will find these options settings. If you don't find these options from here, you have to click on these options all apps. Click on it. Then scroll down and you can find these options from here, settings. Click on it. Then your settings panel are loaded up. From the left side you will see here is the bunch of settings on your systems, so you have to go for these options apps. Click here apps, and from here you have to click here startup. Click on it. You can see all of your startup apps are listed here. So you don't need to turn off those apps which are need to your system to boot up. Here is the example. This one for my keyboard and mouse, and this one is for audio, and this one is for security. So you don't need to turn off this type of service. You have to turn off those services which are not necessary to booting up your systems. Here is Cortana. This is not necessary to boot up your system. Turn off this. Here OneDrive, you have to turn off these options. You don't need to these options for your startup. Microsoft Teams, you don't need to this. Even Spotify, turn off these options. Steam, turn off this. Windows Terminal, Xbox, turn off the Xbox, and turn off all bunches of stuff which are not necessary to start up your systems. Close the window and reboot your system. Click on the start menu, click on settings, then click on systems, and you can find this window notifications. You can off your notifications from here, or you can turn off all of your notifications from here. Click here turn off, and that's it. Many apps run in the background even when you are not using them. These apps consume RAM and CPU. Turn them off. For that, click on the start menu, and from here click on settings, and from the left side click on apps, and here you can see installed apps. Click on it. You can see here the list of all installed apps on your system. From here you can change the permission. You can find directly turn off option for some app, and you don't get the direct turn off options for some default apps. Here is the example. You can see here the camera app. Let's go and change the permission of these apps. For that, click on this 3 dot, then click on advanced option. Here background apps permission. There are 3 types of permission for the background apps. First one is always. These apps always allowed to run in the background. And the second one is power optimized, and this is the recommended by Microsoft. And the last one is never. When you select this option never, it will completely turn off from the background. So click on it and click here never. Select all of the apps and change their background permission to never, and that's it. In every time you are search in your start menu, Microsoft shift it up to Bing. So you have to turn off this now. So for that, click on the Windows plus R button and type here regedit and click enter. Then you will find your registry editor window. Here is your registry editor panel. First you have to expand this option H key current user, expand it, then expand this one software, and then find policies. Here policies, expand it, and you have to expand this option Microsoft, and here you can find Windows, expand it, and here you have to find the keys name Explorer. If the Explorer is missing from here, you have to create a new key here. For create a new key, select the window and right click on it and select this one new and key. Then name this key Explorer, name spelling Explorer, and click enter. Then select the Explorer, make sure Explorer is selected, and from the right side click on the right button and click here new, and here dword 32-bit, select this and named here disable search box suggestions, disable search box suggestions, and click enter. Double click on it and give here value is 1, then click OK and close the window and restart your computer. You don't need to consume any ads or news from the widgets, so turn it off now. For that, click on the start menu, then click on settings, then click here personalizations and click here taskbar. Then you can see this option widget, turn it off. That's it. Windows sends diagnostic data to Microsoft, so turn it off now. This improves privacy and slightly reduces background processor. For that, click on the start menu, click on settings and click here privacy and security. Then click here diagnostics and feedbacks. Then turn it off and make sure that only required diagnostic data is turned on. That's it. Windows records your activity history including apps and files. Most users don't even know this exists. So disable it now. For turning off your activity history, you have to do the several things. This protects your privacy. Let's do it. For that, first click on your start menu, then click on settings. Then here click on privacy and security. Then click on diagnostics and feedbacks. And from here you can see delete diagnostics data. Delete all of your diagnostic data. It will delete your recorded data from Microsoft. Click on delete. Then go back to privacy and security. Then click here search. Microsoft account search and work or school account, turn it off also. Again back to the privacy and security and then click here inking and typing personalization. Then custom inking and typing dictionary, turn it off. Again go back to privacy and security. Now click on speech and turn it off also. And that's it. Did you know Windows shows ad inside your File Explorer and lock screen? Yes, even after buying your PC, you have to disable it right now. For that, click on your File Explorer, click on View and click on Options. Then here, Folder Option window, click on View. Then scroll down and you can see Show Syncing Provider Notification. Uncheck these options and click Apply and OK. That's it. This removes those annoying OneDrive and Microsoft promotion ads from File Explorer. Now let's remove ads from the lock screen. Click on the Windows plus R button and type here regedit and click Enter. Then you will find your registry editor window. Here is your registry editor panel. Select HQ local machine, expand it. Then search for software, expand this option. And then expand Microsoft. Then expand Windows. And then expand current version. And then find Content Delivery Manager. Here, select this and from the right hand side, right click on it and select a new and then click on dword 32-bit value. And now you have to create a two new entry here. So let's the first one. First one name is rotating lock screen enable and double click on it. Set the value is 0 and create our second entry. Right click on it in the same way and name it rotating lock screen overlay enable and double click on it and set the value 0. Then close the window and restart your computer. Now your lock screen is completely ad free. I don't want to say that Cortana and Copilot are viruses, but they do collect user data. If you care about your privacy or want a lighter Windows system, removing them is a good idea. So let's do it. Click on the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left side, click on Apps and click on Installed Apps. And from here, find Copilot and Cortana and click the three dot here and uninstall it. That's it. Stop auto reboot after updates so that your PC won't randomly reboot during work, gaming or editing. For that, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Then click on Windows Update, Advanced option. Then here you can find this option, Notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. Turn it on and that's it. After changing these settings, you may notice faster boot time, lower RAM usage, better privacy and smoother Windows performance. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Infotrix for more Windows tips, tricks and PC fixes. And comment below which Windows 11 settings surprised you the most. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.